My name is Houston, and I am a business analyst. I have a master's in business administration with focuses in accounting and business analytics. My job is primarily to analyze business changes in my industry, logistics, and determine what the resulting regulatory and compliance requirements will be, as well as the impact it may have on the business, its management, or operational changes. With this experience, I'm going to take a quick look at the stock market and give a brief preview of 5 stocks that I believe are worth watching this week. Starting with number 5, shipping giant UPS. As you may know, UPS recently completed layoffs of over 12,000 personnel. Tomorrow's earnings report will likely reflect savings on those layoffs, as most severance packages were paid out prior to quarter 2. This means profits should benefit from significantly reduced labor costs. However, the shipping and logistics industry has been down recently, and it's not certain whether UPS's cost-cutting efforts will be enough to offset the lackluster consumer spending and shipping. At number 4, we have fitness, apparel, and lifestyle company Nike. Coming off of a 52-week low, Nike's significantly depressed valuation stems from shaky investor confidence due to recent lackluster earnings. I, however, view this dip as a discount as opposed to a new ceiling, as their organizational restructuring and decision to pull back from undifferentiated retailers will help both increase revenue and decrease costs. Combine this with the strong consumer sentiment, and I believe that Nike is a worthwhile watch for the coming weeks. As a quick disclaimer, I do own a small portion of Nike in my portfolio. Not investment advice, just transparency. At number 3, we have toy company Mattel. Reporting a 2-year high ROE, return on equity, of 14.3% at last earnings, Mattel is on a bit of a run. In addition to their considerable ROE increase, Mattel has also begun their $200 million Optimizing for Profitable Growth initiative. Assuming this initiative is equally as successful as the previous one, which yielded $1 billion in run rate savings, Mattel could be looking at much stronger performance in the following quarters as they roll out this plan. Investors seem to agree, as Mattel is already trading at 10% up from last week. At number 2, we have tech firm Microsoft. Microsoft's decision to rapidly develop and implement their Copilot AI into their products and services has paid off in spades, as it has allowed them to train their intelligence with their massive consumer and professional ecosystems. Google's comparatively disastrous AI integration has proven a boon to Microsoft as well, unintentionally demonstrating to consumers and investors that just because a company can develop AI doesn't mean it's a guaranteed cash cow. If Microsoft can maintain their technical edge with their Copilot product, they stand to benefit greatly from the big AI boom of 2024. At number 1, we have cybersecurity firm Crowdstrike. I believe Crowdstrike is suffering from a similar ailment as Nike: weak investor confidence. The difference with Crowdstrike, and why I have it at the top of this list, is because their diagnosis is acute. Last week's fiasco resulted in a nearly 30% drop over the course of just a few days. Assuming Crowdstrike is able to correct the processes that led to the mistake, this sudden plummet in valuation is nothing but a fire sale on one of the largest and most historically secure companies in a rapidly growing segment. It is highly likely that in a few months' time, we, the investors, will look back on this debacle as a missed opportunity to achieve the mythical buy low, sell high. So I've just started content creation. It's only been about 2 weeks. I'm working on daily videos, and currently I'm trying to find my niche. I figured I'd give this one a shot, as I enjoy market analysis, I invest occasionally, and it's in line with my area of expertise. Like I said, I'm a business analyst. I worked as a manager while I was getting my degree, and while my focuses are in business analytics and management, my associate's and bachelor's degrees are in accounting. I was really only a test away from becoming a CPA. So my passions lie with cooking and fishing and filmmaking now, and I also have proficiency and a strong interest in market analysis, business analysis, and finance in general. I'd love to hear from you all which content you prefer. I've done daily vlogs now. I enjoyed editing those, but those were quite the undertaking and they really didn't yield views. I did some cooking videos, and those are quick and easy, and I enjoy cooking. It's just I'm not sure if that's something I want to do daily. Finally, I tried a couple of fishing videos, and those were a lot of fun. Who knows, maybe I'll try a little bit of climbing content. I really enjoyed making this video, and I'll likely make another one like it tomorrow. So stay tuned. As a matter of fact, it's earnings week, so keep an eye out for a stock watch for companies reporting earnings in the following week. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.